Alright, boys, and maybe girls, probably not. We got the Xbox Series X here because it's what I spend my money on, a bunch of technology stuff. So here it is. So first we got the Xbox box thing. 4K 120 frames per second, 1 terabyte solid state drive. Here we got the side with all the stuff, you know, all the goodies. We got on top this Xbox. We got the back with the boy Master Chief for Halo Infinite. You know, it's got all the stuff. And another picture of the Xbox. So, here we go. Unboxing time. There it is. Alright, that's the video. Thanks, guys. Okay. So, just pull this bad boy out. I guess bring the foam with it. Hey, there's a thing down here. That's mine. I don't know if there's a code on it. There's all this jazz with the cables, the controller, I would assume, a manual that I'm not even going to pull out of the box. Yeah, this is a controller. It's a weird way of packaging it, but okay. And I think that's it. So yeah, there's that. Oh, great. Bent it. Just get in. Okay, so there's that. Wow. Who struggles to put a box in a box? Okay, so we got the Series X right here. Just gonna untab this. Let's see. Did that just go underneath? Oh, it pulls out. Okay. Alright, there's that. And then there's some tape. Alright. Well, that's probably gonna rip, but who cares? Alright. Please work. There we are. There it is. The Series X. You know, it's Microsoft glory. So that can all go back in there. There's the box. So we got the USB right there, USB 3. The eject button, disk drive, or maybe that's the sync button. That's eject. Power. And we got the vents in the back. We got the storage expansion slot, HDMI, power, Ethernet, and some more USB 3.0 ports. Here we have the Kensington lock and the green vent kind of thing. So, yes, there it is. Well, that was just a quick unboxing, so thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.